Hey guys, welcome to this week's Java with Jason, your weekly real estate and mortgage update. Guys, this week's topic, it's a big one. It's 5 misconceptions about getting a mortgage loan during COVID. All right, so I've been hearing all these rumors floating around. I have these questions. I get called all the time. People are really have misconceptions on whether they get a mortgage loan right now. So yes, things have changed during COVID. We've had to adapt, but there's still lots of loans going on, okay? So here are the 5 most common misconceptions I get. Number 1, hey, I had a forbearance and it doesn't show on my credit report. So this is not true, okay? If you take a forbearance, it will definitely show on your credit report. What I've been seeing is it's not negatively impacting your score, but it does report on your credit report, and you'll have to deal with it, okay? So a lot of forbearances have to be caught up before we can do a loan, but it will show up on there for sure, number 1. Number 2, I can't get a mortgage loan if I've been furloughed. Just last Friday, someone said, man, can I get a loan? I have a job. My wife got furloughed and she's not working. Well, we can still get you a loan if we work on your income, all right? And if you've been furloughed and you're back to work full time, the lenders are super understanding about it. So there's really no time frame you have to be back to work. If you're back to work full time from a furlough, it just counts as you've been working the entire time, okay? PPP loans, all right, will not show up on your credit. They will. Actually, we see the inquiries for PPP loans, and we have to document the PPP loan, what the payment is. And we might even have to count it in your debt to income ratio. Okay, doesn't mean you're not going to get a loan. Doesn't mean we will count it in your debt to income ratio, but it very well could come into a place. So make sure you're upfront and honest with your lender. I took a PPP loan. This is how much it was, and here's what the payment is. All right. Number 4, I can't get a jumbo loan. All right. So yes, soon as COVID hit, a lot of liquidity in the jumbo market went away. So jumbo loans. You can get jumbo loans. They have come back, all right? So they're not as easy as they once were. They were super easy before COVID. Now, there's a little more stringent guidelines, so we have to maneuver through, but we can do a big combo loans right now. And also jumbo loans for purchase and refinances are back, and we're doing them in-house as well, which is super exciting. Number 5, all right? If I had a business and I was self-employed during COVID and maybe we shut down for a little while, then I can't get a mortgage loan. I have to wait 1 to 2 years. This is not true, okay? They are more stringent. So if you're self-employed during COVID, what they do require us now is to get the tax returns for 17 and 18, maybe 19. You can still have an extension, but we definitely have to look at the profit and loss more tightly, right? They really put a lot of weight on this profit and loss during 2020, and we have to show that you have a viable company, right? And that you're a stable company, okay? There are a lot of industries that have been very viable and very stable. There's been some industries that have actually done more business since COVID, all right? So I just did a client last week, got it clear to close. He had 5 different companies, okay? So we had to jump through some hoops with a lot of profit losses and explanations, but we got it clear to close on Friday before the weekend. So there's a success story for self-employed businesses during COVID. If you have any questions on this, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm kind of like a mortgage nerd. I always like to talk mortgages. If you have any questions, I'm here to help out. My number is 281-882-8888.